Step 1. Remove the side strip screws. Step 2. Install the lock body. Now the line passes through the door hole. Step 3. Fix the lock body screws. Step 4. Install the lock cylinder, key facing outwards. Step 5. Fix the lock core screw. Step 6. Test the mechanical key unlock. Step 7. Install the side strips. Fix 3 screws. Step 8. The square rod passes through the spring. Step 9. Connect the cable between the motherboard and the lock body. Step 10. Align the position. Step 11. Insert the rear panel handle square bar. Step 12. Insert the anti-lock knob square bar. Step 13. Align the position. Step 14. Fix the rear panel, 2 screws on top and bottom. Step 15. Open the battery box cover and install 4 AA batteries. Step 16. Put on the battery cover and connect the wires between the lock body and the battery box. Step 17. Installation of the battery box. Step 18. Test the anti-lock unlock, card unlock, key unlock. Installation completed.